Hello there! Today we're going to talk about buying your first San Antonio car insurance. This video is a service provided to you from San Antonio, txinsurance.org. Whatever your insurance needs nationwide, we can help. Wow, you've crossed a milestone. You're buying your first San Antonio car insurance. Congratulations! So that part is great, but where do you start, right? Since this is your first time, it's perfectly normal to be a little confused as to how to work through this new adventure. This is an important thing to consider thoroughly so that you make the correct choices. Getting them right now will make sure that the right kind of coverage is in place should you ever need it. Here are a couple of tips to get you started. You may be buying your first car insurance policy at age 18, or you may be 80 years old. No matter your age, there are a couple of things you need to consider that remain the same when interviewing companies and agents. If you are currently insured under someone else's policy, like a family member or company, I suggest you go ahead and check with that company. They might be able to offer you a good deal because you already have history with them. Keep in mind, though, that because rates and offerings change constantly, you may be able to get the best and cheapest coverage by scouting out on your own. Scouting out on your own? That may sound like preparation for a month-long safari. Well, don't worry. If you manage the process online, it can be quick and painless. In fact, if you request quotes online, it will take you less than 2 minutes to fill out the form. And then instead of having to call all of the different companies and agents yourself, they'll call you. You'll hear from 5 or 6 companies within about 30 minutes, and this is exactly what you need. The more quotes you can obtain within the shortest period of time, the more quickly you can select the policy and coverage that best meets your needs. As you go along, however, I do want to offer you one word of caution when it comes to allowing companies to run your credit report. First of all, don't worry if they ask to check your credit. These days, it's a normal part of the quoting process and can actually get you better rates. But make sure that you do not let all of these companies run your credit reports separately. Too many inquiries to your credit at the same time will lower your credit score. Instead, run your credit report yourself and give each company a copy of that report if they need it. When you finally settle on the company with whom you choose to do business, it's okay to let them run your report themselves if necessary. Keep in mind that buying your first San Antonio car insurance is fun, and it heralds your entry into a whole new world. You now have a greater degree of freedom, so be excited. But with that freedom comes greater responsibility as well. Take the time now, make the right choices at the onset, and you'll have the best protection should the need ever arise. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again for stopping by. This video has been provided to you as a service from San Antonio, txinsurance.org. Please make sure to drop by often for more great videos, and please tell your friends about us.